Welcome to this radio channel. We are Monday, and of course, on Mondays, we release the radio propagation and solar activity report, and of course, talk about this a little bit. So, we of course going to check out the conditions. First of all, there's a sunspot that is available or visible on the sun. It is a small one, but it is there, and it is, we got to take what we have. Now, here it doesn't show any numbers, so it's possible that it's already decayed and sunspot count might actually fall back down to zero. But, this is solar minimum, so there'll be a few spots here and there, but they often won't last very long. It still does increase slightly the propagation conditions, so that's something to check out for. There's, enhanced propagation because of a little bit more. And even though it's a very small sunspot, it often has a small effect. It does have an effect on the band, so tune the different bands and the signals and check out what you can hear. Now, if we look at the K index, it's been quiet. It's been quiet, and it's going to stay quiet for the next couple of days. But there's something coming later this week, and around November the 30th, maybe 29th, 30th, somewhere over there, you might have a problem, and it's this big coronal hole that's actually right now coming on the surface on the sun. It's actually bigger than it was yesterday. So there's some solar wind that's going to escape from this, but it's not positioned yet to be Earth facing, really. So we're still going to enjoy a few days of good propagation with pretty much no interference at all from this. But as the week goes by, you'll see probably that K index starting to rise at 2 or 3 and even go to unsettled or even minor storm if the solar wind is strong enough. So enjoyed your first half of the week with good propagation. That should continue for now. And as the week will progress, and of course we'll have our update on Thursday, so we'll have a lot more information. I don't expect until our Thursday video of propagation, which will be Thursday, will be November the 29th. I don't expect that there is going to be much difference in propagation for until then. But Thursday we're going to start seeing the effect, and that's going to be interesting to see also how the coronal hole is shaping, and if that solar wind is going to start making some little minor geomagnetic storms. So for the time being, enjoy your radio propagation. It's pretty good, it goes well, and I think it's a great radio propagation. For the next few days, you'll have pretty good propagation of signals. And I was tuning around today because for some of you that have seen the video, I've got a great gift of a Yisu transceiver in FT450, and even though I don't have the power supply to run it and for the transmit, I do have. I did temporarily put it on a 5 amp power supply that I've got here, which for reception is okay. I mean, it doesn't take that much juice just for the reception portion of it. And anyways, I don't have my AM license, so I can't use it really. So I've been tuning around the bands, and signals have been pretty cool, pretty interesting. So I think it's worth it to tune the bands. I'll be tuning tonight. Don't be surprised if you see some FT450 videos of some reception of shortwave signals, not just amateur radio, because that receiver is a general coverage, so it can actually get all the HF band. It's a full coverage of the HF band, and we will of course be checking that out and examining the signal. So you might see some videos pop up today of some shortwave propagation, not just the ham bands, but also from the shortwave bands in general. So enjoy the good propagation as it lasts, and we'll of course update this video Thursday, talking about what's to come and see if things are actually getting worse for the weekend. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.